Simple geometric elements can create a polished poster when they're used with restraint. Open Canva and create a new product poster using the dimensions that suit your campaign. Start with a clean neutral background, then open the Elements panel and choose only a few geometric shapes such as circles, rectangles, or thin lines. Place one or two larger shapes behind the product to create subtle structure, then add a small geometric accent near the headline or pricing area. Upload your product image and position it prominently so it remains the main focus. Add a short, bold headline, product description, pricing, and a clear call to action using clean modern fonts.